Hello, welcome to this guided project on use Canva to create social media visuals. I'm Chaitra and I'll be your instructor for this guided project. To give you a quick background about myself, I'm a web developer, a mobile developer, and a blogger. I have been using the amazing designs and features of Canva to build my personal branding on social media by creating visuals on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram using Canva design tool. So you can use this project to create your own social media visuals for your personal branding, or you can create it for others as a freelance graphic designer. By the end of this project, you will create 6 social media visuals like Facebook cover, Facebook post, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube channel art, Instagram post, and Twitter header for your business. These visuals are shareable across other social media channels. So, this course will include an introduction to Canva and how to create social media visuals from scratch by keeping one business theme in mind. And we'll also learn how to prepare these social media visuals for publishing. Here you can see what exactly your final project will look like. So these are the 6 social media visuals we are going to create. In first task, we are going to create a Facebook cover and will prepare it for publishing. In second task, we are going to create a Facebook post and will prepare it for publishing. In third task, we are going to create YouTube thumbnail. In fourth task, we are going to create YouTube channel art. In fifth task, we are going to create Instagram post. And in last task, we are going to create a Twitter header and will prepare all these social media visuals for publishing. So, hope you are excited to do this project. Let's get started by creating a free Canva account. Basically, Canva is a tool designed for building different amazing graphic designs like social media posts, presentations, business cards, websites, etc. In Canva, users can use pre built templates as well as they can create custom dimension templates as per their requirement. So, let's get started by creating a Canva account. If you already have a Canva account, then you can click on login button. If you do not have a Canva account, then you can create a new Canva account by clicking on sign up button, which is at the upper right corner. Once you click on sign up button, you can choose one of the three options to signing into Canva. The first option is with the help of sign up with Google, second is sign up with Facebook, and third one is sign up with email. So you can choose your convenient option to signing into Canva. And we are creating this project using Canva free account only. So here I'm using my personal free account to log in into Canva. I'll click on login button. I'll log in with Google. It is asking my email ID. Log in with chaitrad2020 at gmail.com. I'll click on next. So once I entered my email ID and password, Canva showed up this particular user interface. So since we are creating Facebook cover in our first task, here in the search tab, we have to enter it as Facebook cover, Facebook cover, and look out for this particular keyword which is written as Facebook cover, and you can click on that. Once you click on that, it will open up another user interface for you. So from here you can click on create blank Facebook cover. So these are the pre-built template which the Canva has showed up, but we are building it from scratch. So we are choosing create a blank Facebook cover. So once you click on that, it opens up a Canva dashboard or Canva editor. Before we start creating the Facebook cover, let's start understanding the features of Canva dashboard which are important for this particular project. So this is what we are calling it as a Canva dashboard or Canva editor. This is called the menu bar, which is at the very top of the editor, which is in blue color. From here, we can access the features like file, undo, redo, save, resize, share, publish, and download options. And whatever we will design, it gets saved automatically. So, no need to save it manually. So, next comes the toolbar, which is right below the menu bar, which is in white color. So from here, you can customize the formatting of your design elements which you have selected. Next comes the side panel. From here, you can access the features like templates. You can upload your own photos. You can choose from the inbuilt photos. You can choose different types of elements. You can add a different text. You can add music videos. You can add background, etc. So, next comes the canvas, which is your main workspace where you'll work on your designs. Before we start creating the Facebook cover, first let's rename this particular template as a sample Facebook cover by clicking on untitled design, which is at the menu bar. So, here we'll rename it as sample Facebook cover and click outside. The theme we are going to use for this Facebook cover is to promote organic food. And this particular Facebook cover also gives you the information that this food can be delivered to your home by clicking on the website link. So let's start creating the sample Facebook cover by adding background to the template. Go to elements from the side panel, click on elements, go to search bar, type here as grid, press enter, and look out for this particular grid, which is triple rectangle vertical grid. Single click on this. Once you single click on it, it appears on this particular workspace. So since I want to use more photos to the template, I'll make two copies of this. So what I'll do is you just need to drag it inside the template so that I can make two copies of it. One covers the half of the page and remaining covers another half of the page. You can see here the blue line. So the first grid should cover half of the page and the second one should cover the remaining half of the page. So you need to copy and paste it. If you're using Windows, you can use Control C for copying, Control V for pasting. If you're using Mac, Command C for copying and Command V for pasting. So I'm using Command C and Command V. So after pasting it, you need to drag it to the right side so that it covers the remaining half of the page. Now it covers completely, and you can see here there is a blank space everywhere, but you cannot see a blank space here. You can give a little bit of blank space by dragging it to the right side, and you can click outside. So now we'll start adding photos to this frames. Go to photos, click on photos from the side panel and type in the search bar as fruits and press enter. Choose your favorite fruit photos. You just need to drag and drop it into the frame. I'll choose this strawberry. You just need to drag and drop it to the first frame. Next, I'll choose the oranges. You just need to click with the help of mouse and you just need to drag it and drop it to the alternative frame. Next, I'll choose, you can scroll down a little bit and I'll choose this kiwi fruit. Click on this, drag it and drop it to alternate frame. So now we added fruits to the frame. Now we'll start adding vegetables. So go to photos, cancel these fruits, and type here as vegetables and press enter. So you can scroll down a little bit. I'll choose this leafy vegetable. You can just drag and drop it in second frame. Next, again, you can choose some other vegetables. I'll click on this, look out for this particular photo, or you can choose any of your favorite photos, and you just need to drag and drop it here. Next, choose some other vegetable. You can look out for this particular carrot photo, single click on it, or you can drag and drop it to the last frame. So, right now we added background to the Facebook cover. Now we'll start adding company tagline, website, other details to this background. Go to photos, click on photos, type here it as white, press enter. Choose this particular white background on top of this dark background. So click on this. Once you click on this, it appears on your workspace. So you can drag a little bit more from all the corners. Now let's start adding text to this particular background. Now you have two backgrounds. One is the dark background, which is having fruits and vegetables, and the another one is the white background, which is the blank background. So let's add a text to this particular white background. Go to text from the side panel, single click on add heading. Once you click on it, it appears here. So with the help of this key, you can move this to the top and you can place it here and replace this text. Delete this by pressing on delete button. Now add in caps lock, you can add eat good, comma, feel good, and click outside. Let's add one more text. Again, go to text, click on add heading. Once it comes here, with the help of this particular key, you can take it to the top and place below this upper text and replace it as with organic food. And you can click outside. You can take the upper text by single clicking on it. You can take it to the little right side so that we can place some other elements here and click on the below text, and you can move this little bit to the right side. Now let's add website name here. Go to text again, click on add a subheading. Once it appears here, you can take it little bit down below the lower text and you can place it here, and you can replace this text with the help of your website name by typing it as www.example with the lowercase letters, www.examplewebsite.com, and you can make it bold by clicking on this bold option. And if you want, you can place it little bit down, and you can apply here link by clicking on this particular website name. Click on this and apply link to this particular website. Click on this more option, go to this link icon, click on it. Here I'm entering a dummy website. You can enter your own website, example website.com. com. So whenever a person comes to this particular Facebook cover, when he clicks on this particular link, he goes to that website and he can purchase the organic food. Now let's add few delivery images to this particular background. Go to elements, click on elements, cancel this grid, type here as delivery, press enter. You can see few delivery images here. You can click on the first one. Once you click on it, it appears here. With the help of mouse, you can drag it to the left side and you can reduce the size by dragging it and dropping it, and the alignment also you can bring it down by holding the mouse, and you can change the color of this. Single click on this and go to the toolbar. Here you can see this is the color palette. Go to this particular color, bright red, and you can choose this color. Again, I want to add one more images to this. You can take this particular which shows you are delivering it to whom. Single click on it. When it appears here, drag it to the right side and bring it down. If you want, you can reduce the size of this. Now let's add your company logo here. Go to elements. In the search bar, type here as Canva. Press enter. I'm giving Canva logo here. You can give your company logo. Click on the first logo. Once it appears here, you can reduce the size of this, and you can take this logo to upper right corner and you can place it here so that it is visible to everyone. And if you want, you can change the color of this. Go to this color palette and you can make it this particular royal blue color or whichever color you want. Now this Facebook cover is ready for publishing. So click on download, choose file type as PNG and click on download button. Once you click on download button, you can save this design and you can upload it to your Facebook as a Facebook cover. So congratulations, we have created sample Facebook cover in this task and we prepared it for publishing. So let's pause the video and complete the above steps before moving on. In next task, we are going to design sample Facebook post.